Hi, this is me, CoTune. I'll show you how to reverse a video using CapCut. Let's start.
First, I'll import the video that I want to reverse, and then I'm going to maximize the player view to have a better view of this video and play it. As you can see, kids are jumping in slow motion, and there's a confetti falling from up above in slow motion. Now, I'm going to click on the video and go to speed and increase the speed of the video. Now, I'm going to maximize my player view to have a better view of this video. Now it's better. And then I'm going to replay it. As you can see, it's now much faster. Now, I'm going to duplicate this video by copy and pasting it. And then I'm going to click on the video that I duplicated and click on edit and then reverse. Now let's play the whole clips all together. So this is the original video in faster motion. And this is the reversed version. It looks so cool and it's very easy to be done. What do you think?
Don't miss the fun to learn with CoTune and subscribe now.